numbers, you don't know your business. Can you afford to expand? Can you make that new hire? Launch the new ad campaign? How's revenue pacing against last year? Most companies don't have a clear picture of their financing, and how do you make key decisions? I was in this position for a long time. Yeah, wait, we have all of these streams of going out and going in. Can I get them on one sheet? Can I get them on a dashboard, please? Because you are shooting blind. You either don't do it out of fear, or you do it on gut, and it could be completely wrong. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. Serious entrepreneurs and finance teams run on NetSuite by Oracle, the #1 cloud-based system. It offers a full picture of all of your finances, all in one place in real time, right from your phone or your desktop. So there's no more guessing, no more worry about what you don't know.